Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946.
I'd like to show you the 257 Fisherman by Grady-White. This is a 2018 model, powered by twin 200 Yamaha 4-cylinder engines. As you walk up, you notice it has a fish box here in the back, but it also has a Yeti cooler just forward of that. You have a live well. Both of these are insulated, both of them drain overboard. You have a flip up bench seat. You can put that down if you're fishing in the back, or if you have a big family and you need some extra seating. You can see here at the helm, all your switches are easy to get to, plenty of room to mount electronics. You have a small head here on the starboard side with some storage in it. Moving forward, you'll see this boat has the optional forward-facing backrest that you can flip out of the way, so you can actually walk through very easy. You can see that one's facing forward, and this is how it looks when it's folded back. You have two insulated coolers that drain overboard, and this boat's also shown with the optional casting platform insert. That center insert can come out so you can get up to the anchor better. You have a nice anchor windlass up forward that you can control from the bow, or you can control it from the switch panel. If you have any questions, feel free to call me anytime, 305-389-4946.